Second game of the week, second win, this time in the FA Trophy, Craig.
Yes, really good, pleasing performance. The FA Trophy's new to us. I've never been in it before, so it's something we want to progress through the rounds and take seriously. Like every game, to be honest. Obviously, after Tuesday night's performance, I'm in today confidently, and the lads started really well. We've kept the ball extremely well, I thought, in the first half, created loads of opportunities, and we asked the lads to be a bit more patient in possession, and I thought we did that tonight, and we controlled the play. Scored a couple of good goals going in then at half time, and then second half we've come out and we've looked good and strong as the game progressed. The subs that come on have done really well. They've got up to speed with the game, and it was good to use that rotation because we need the players to be fit and sharp. We've got Llanrwst now on Tuesday, and that's a massive important game for us here at the Tribe and to get back at the league campaign.
Periods of a long passing in the middle of the park as well. Does sometimes a long ball be a better option?
Not necessarily, no. Today was all about just maintaining the ball, really, and that's what we wanted from the players. You can get frustrated when you play against a team that's organised and looking to play on the counter. Tywyn, to be fair to them, they sat in their numbers. Their distances between their units were good, and they looked to counter us. And in the past, we've struggled with teams that have come here and done that to us, because after 20 minutes, we've give up and sort of got frustrated and forgot about our roles and our responsibilities. But today, sort of for 45 minutes, first half particularly, we moved that ball really, really well. And it's not always about just bombarding and going forward. It's about maintaining that possession and doing the right things.
Did their goal hurt more than the four that you scored?
Yeah, it did hurt, but young Bradley's come in from the reserves with Dylan being injured, and he's done fantastic tonight. Credit to Bradley. He was brave, he made good decisions throughout the game, and he's just been caught out with a short goal kick that put Morgs under pressure, and then they've got the goal from it. But Bradley reacted really well from that. They scored sort of with 20 odd minutes left to go, and as I said, to see the young man's character, to not let his head go down and to keep going, is a credit to him.
Saturday off, and then Llanrwst at the Tribe on Tuesday.
Yeah, nice to have a weekend off. And as I said, Llanrwst is a massive game because they've started really well. They're a good side, well organised. They'll come here looking forward to the tie, and they'll want to come away with a result. So we've got to make sure we're set now. We've recovered well, and all focus is on that game.
That's the first home game of the season in the league.
It is, though.
Diolch, Craig.
Diolch.